सुधारया वदनं गदगदरुद्धया गिरा पुलकैर्निचितं भोपु कदा तव नाम गौण भविष्यति। प्रेम धन बिना व्यर्थ दरिद्र जीवन दास करी वेतन मोरे देव प्रेम धन। अपराध फले मम चित्त भेलो वज्र सम। अपराध फले तुआ नामे ना लाभे पिकारो हताश हइया हई तब नाम उच्च करी। बड़ो दुखे डाकी बारो बारो दीन दयामय करुणा निदान। भाव बिंदु दे रखो परान। कबे तब नाम उच्चरणे मोरो नयन जड़ब दर दर लोर। गद गद स्वर कंठे उपजब मुखे बोलो आधो आधो बहिरब। पुलके भरब शरीर हमारा पुलके भरब शरीर हमारा। शीत कंप स्तंभ हबे भार भार। विवरण शरीरे हरयब ज्ञान। नाम समाश्रय धरबु परान। मिलाब हमर किए होइछे दीन। रोए भक्ति विनोद मतिहीन। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare। Hare Krishna निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। स्वयं राधा सखा निज रमन कृते प्रसितानेक भज्यं सख्यानितेश शेषासन मुदित तरिदं तं च ब्रजेन्द्रं सुस्नातं रम्यवेशं गृहमनो जननी लालितं प्राप्त गोष्ठं निबूढ़ सहस्रारिदोहं सगृहमनु पुनर्भुक्तवन्तं स्मरामि means Krishna how he returned. On the way Krishna to home from Kavadi, Radharani sent some sweet stuff. Krishna honored it. Krishna honored it, that sweet. Remnant. Krishna's remnant, that Sakhis brought back, that Radharani took it and become happy. Then Krishna going to home, Mother Yashoda greet him with proper way, cleanse him. Then Krishna going to cows at Goshala for milking cow, Sahasraridoham. After that, Krishna also honored Mother Yashoda's offering. That is always eating. Sri Radhika Sayam Kale Krishna lagi pathaile. Sokhi haste vividha misthana. Krishna bhukta seshani Sakhi dilo sukho mani. Ayya Radha hoilo prasanna. Mata Rama becho dhari Yashoda lalito hari. Yashoda lalita hari. Sakha saho godohana pari. Nana vidho pakha anna Paya hoilo porosanno. Mori ami paramo adhari. Mori ami paramo adhari. Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare 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 Ramo 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Hari Gaur, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. अच्छा भीगाः तस्मिन् मृतान्दु निर्मलं हेमारोविन्दत् पलरपुरुषितं पपोनिकामं निजपुष्परोद्धित महात्मानमस्ति स्नपानगतक्लम गजेंद्र से सरोवर प्रवेश पूर्वक स्नान द्वारा श्रम रहित हइया कांचन पद्म और उत्पल रेणु द्वारा पूर्ण निर्मल अमृत भूतुल्य सुस्वादु जल स्वीय सुंडाग्र उद्धित करत যথেষ্ট পরিমাণে গান করিল। Gajendra, this elephant, come to this lake. Lake, according to the description, crystal clean water. And relaxing manner, taking bath over there. And the water, the sud means the tongue, taking and keeping top of the sky and according to the elephant, whatever their language, they are singing. Then Gajendra was singing. Very relaxing. Like how all of you are going to the Ganga, right? Ganga's water not clean, right? Here. But that water is clean, crystal clean. And in that sense, Ganga water always clean, but outwardly if you look, Ganga's water is dirty, muddy. But that water crystal clean. So Avagahan means taking bath, relaxing mood. With the tongue taking this water, and then but relaxing matter. Elephant, how they are relaxing. Pushkaranadhuto srikarambubi nipayana Sangsanapayan jathagrihi. Oh my God. Grini karenu karohaschang durmodo nachasta kitcha kriponaho jamayaya. Grihasakta purushbot kripaban isha maya shakta hoile. Say দুর্মদ হস্তি সুন্ডাগ্রে উদ্ধৃত জলবিন্দু দ্বারা স্বীয় স্ত্রী ও সন্তান সকলকে স্নান ও পান করাইয়া অতিশয় কষ্ট হইল তাহা আলোচনা করিল না। মানে এক্সপ্লেনিং গৃহাসক্ত পুরুষবধ। গৃহাসক্ত মিন্স which completely attached for homely comfort. So, what they are feeling? Isho Maya. Isho Maya means the trap of the illusion, they're always attached. Isho means Ishwar. Maya Devi also belongs to Ishwara, belongs to God. Why? Because that Krishna says, Tai vijayasa gunomayi momo maya. Momo maya. Krishna says, my maya. Gunomayi means so much quality. What is good quality, what is bad quality. When we are following whatever Lord says, following in our life, whatever Lord wants us to do, that is called good quality. Whenever we are just trying to reverse whatever Lord says, in the eye of spirituality, that is bad quality. So, Krishna says, Isho Maya Shakto, say Durmod Hosti, Sundagre Udhrito, Jalabindu Dara Siyo Stri, Santan Sakolke, Snan o Pan Karaya, Otisoy Kosto Hilo Taha, Alochana Kurilona. Means, if you, Sundar Gopal, keeping this boy, I don't know who it is. Definitely this is not his son. Right? But if he take bath now and take him to the bath also, this shower, shower, that boy will be happy. When your son, daughter, Krishnamani taking bath before sleeping, she's happily taking bath. Oh God. Mostly they're happy, small boy. Put them in bath, bathing, similarly. So, all they are together, and Gajendra, he is taking his tongue on the water and showering to his family members, wife, children, associates. Although they have problem, but they are not complaining. They are not complaining. This is the situation. Tang tatra kaschinupu daivo chodito graho baliyang sarupe rusagrahit jadichayam aimang vasanang gato gajo jatha balang sahati bala vichakrame he nipo সেই সরোবরে দৈব প্রেরিত মহাবলশালী কোন কুম্ভীর ক্রোধে ওই গজেন্দ্রের চরণ আক্রমণ করিল। মহাবলবান গজপতিও দৈববশত সেই প্রকার বিপদে পতিত হইয়া যথাসাধ্য আত্মমোচন জন্য বিক্রম প্রকাশ করিতে লাগিল। বিক্রম মিন্স মহাবলশালী crocodile, Mahabalashali, Gaj, elephant, both are very powerful. Now Gajendra bited by crocodile. It was relaxing. That is the present situation. All you are relaxing. Nice family life, right? But day by day, we are getting real taste of family life, right? Real taste of family life. So one on the true or not? Real taste is sweet or bitter? Oh, yoga. How many times bitter? Is 50-50. Only the first. How many times bitter? Always sweet, huh? So look, I think they are not expressing properly. But according to Shastra, we know we are here, reason is one. What is the reason? Actual reason is this: we forget Lord. That's why we are here. When we forget Lord, keeping Lord away from us, that much problem we will face. That much problem we will face. So while he was in the water, crystal clean water, relaxing with the children, relatives, we are always, when Lakshman come first time, Illa house, what he felt? My mother-in-law cooking nicely, feeding, right? Now she is cooking same thing, right? Same, a little less. Little less or something. Different cooking. So this is the nature of this world. When you become very good, fast, very good. Like coconut. The coconut water. Coconut, green stage coconut. Very sweet, right? When the coconut become ripe stage, means very hard. The coconut water is punchy, punchy one. So, life also going like this. Very sweet behavior. Ya Liblu, I love you. Ya Liblu means I love you. After that, I think his wife say he is not good. And also husband says she is not good. Day by day, judge, punchy, more sensitive. So similarly, while Gajendra is relaxing and to look after their children, relatives, bathing that time, crocodile comes, powerful crocodile. Who is the crocodile? Who was the crocodile? Looks like crocodile, but who is this? Huhu Gandharva. Huhu Gandharva. Hari Bol. Huhu Gandharva. Or Gajendra, I already explained you. Who is this? Indradumna Maharaja. Why their life become Gajendra, elephant and crocodile? Their activities are karma. Their karma. Karma's consequence always pulling down us to that direction. What? Vanumati. Why Indradumna Maharaj become elephant?
Because he was renounced, he was staying in some mountains meditating. He was in deep meditation when Agastya Rishi came, and he didn't offer any water and didn't greet him. So Agastya Rishi felt offended inside and he cursed him. He said, "You're stubborn like an elephant, so next life you'll be an elephant."
And crocodile? No one. They've already seen. Crocodile, they've already seen. Curse to Huhu Gandharva. Why Huhu Gandharva? Pulling the leg of Devala Rishi. While Devala Rishi, after taking bath, praying to sun god. At that time, pull his leg. Then he say, "Oh, your activities, your karma looks like you are acting like a crocodile. I am cursing you to become crocodile." Crocodile. What to do? If you are not chanting, whatever you do, all will react to you. All will react to you accordingly. If you are fighting with your wife, then what is going to happen? Lakshmi Devi will run. Yes. If you are not look after the service of Lord, Lord sent us this body, human body. It is meaningful body. What I say, what I just say, Prem Dhan Bina Bharta Daridra Jivan. If you have no love for Krishna's services, then your life becomes meaningless, useless, meaningless, bharta, and you become poor. Poor, useless, meaningless life. So, what we are supposed to do? With the human form, as soon as we have that, no matter which ashram you are, if your householder ashram, you have to keep middle of your ashram Krishna. Do everything for Krishna's services. If you are sannyas ashram or retired ashram or celibacy ashram, brahmacharya, garhastha, vanprastha, sannyas, any ashram, always keep Krishna middle of our ashram. Chaitanya Charitamrita explained clearly. Chari varnashrami jodi Krishna nahi bhaje, sakarma korileo raurave parimaje. Mean, char varna means four varna. What is the four varna? Dhruva. Four varna. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Ashrami, four ashram. Four ashram. Jodi Krishna nahi bhaje. If they are not serving Krishna, sha karma, without Krishna's service, they are maintaining their ashram responsibilities, Brahminical responsibilities, without Krishna. Jadi Krishna nahi bhaje. Sha karma karilo, although they are maintaining their duties, families or ashram duties, varnas duties, still they have to go to the hell, named road of Narak. That's more worse after. He doesn't know how to do that. Anyway. Road of. So Lord gave us this human life to serve Krishna. Any ashram, you may have question, what is the, how one householder keeping his service attitude towards Krishna. I think all of you know nowadays. Mostly I am staying in householder home. You go to Nasik, I stay Subhananda's, Sadananda's home, right? If I go to Calcutta, Sundar Gopal home, right? If I go to Medinipur, Anandapur, where I stay? Dhruva. Ashram, in ashram, in temple, where? Louder.
In our house.
In our, their home. If I go to Melbourne, where I stay? Lakshman.
In our house.
If I go to Kelowna, where I stay?
In your home in Kelowna.
Oh. So look, I am staying in home. Who is hosting? All householder. Purpose? They are looking. I am trying my best way to serve Krishna. Therefore they are hosting. Instead of that, just going there for relaxing. Will they host me? Never. 1 or 2 days they will say, after that they say, Swamiji, door is there. Pack your luggage, go. When I go to Vrindavami, Kashambu, last year, this year, where I stay? Where I stay? Yoga. Where I stay? The Yoga Mahasam. Pranava Yoga Mahasam. So this is the situation. So householder is serving and helping to Mahaprabhu's preaching mission. Right? Hosting, preacher. Householder conceiving child. If they conceive child for the service of Lord, there is also Krishna service. So marriage, purpose of marriage to serve Krishna. Purpose of earning money, make a big house to serve Krishna. Conceiving child, also considered like serving Krishna. If we raise child with Krishna consciousness, that is also serving Krishna. Householder cooking for Krishna, then they honor prasadam, Krishna's prasadam. In every aspect, they are actually serving Krishna. Am I clear? Like this, Arati Devi here. How many children he has? How many children he has? 7 children. Does anyone have 7 children here? अंजना देवी, कितना संतान है तुम्हारा? 2, 7 संतान है, 7 संतान. देखो यहाँ पे बैठा 7 में, in among the 7, 4 have been initiated. Dhruva, how old they are?
16 now.
Dhruva 16. Ramamai 14. And Kalyani 12.
They all had birthdays since you came to our home.
And then Rasaraj Mahabha, 10 years. All out of their inspiration with the parents. By the parents give them inspiration. They are performing Mangalarti every day. So 7 children together, they are doing Mangalarti, Kirtan. And this year they propose for initiation. So last year they proposed. This year they took initiation. 4. The rising child with Krishna consciousness. 3 are small. So this is the situation. That way we can serve Krishna. Instead of that, when we are just like enjoying, like our purpose for material enjoyment to be here in the material world, then karma will not allow us to be free. So this is the teachings of Gajendra Moksha Master. So you have to be always careful. If you are careless, it becomes trouble. No quarrel. Wife is like a Devi in home, right? Like Aniruddha, always worshipping Manidita. Manidita says, I am coming to India. Okay, Manidita says, take money and go India. Right? The pravda, ni pravda. Huh? So this is the situation. Wife is worshipful for husband. For wife also, husband is a guru. Husband will worship wife, wife will worship husband. Right? So anyway, so this is the life. This is a life. A material life will turn in spiritual life when we keep connection in every aspect towards Krishna's service, Krishna's satisfaction. That's all. Otherwise, if we feel, I am powerful, I have power, so I can conquer everything. I want to be Bill Gates, right? If you try to be Bill Gates, whole life will finish. Never become Bill Gates, right? His karma will make him rich. But he is not happy. His wife left him. Right? He is sad, feeling sad. Therefore, we should always think about person can be happy when they are close to Krishna. Person is distressful. Why? Because they are far from Krishna. Is this true or not? Person become happy when they are close to Krishna. Krishna is embodiment of happy, embodiment of love. There are always a love, prem. Gradually we are reaching prem. Now we have faith, Shraddha. That Shraddha will pulling us to sadhu. I explained this morning what is the definition of, in brief way, definition of sadhu. Who is searching eternity. What we consider to search eternity. Who is chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra attentively. They are considered like a searching eternity. So searching eternities. So is chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, they are searching eternity, they are gradually close to Krishna. Right? Sadhu. That sadhu, when we associate with sadhu, what sadhu says? Sadhu definitely inspires. Because sadhu always well-wisher to all living beings. Whatever he getting taste of his spiritual practice, he also will inspire, do it, and get the taste, and back home, back to Godhead. That's all. Satha Jata Sadhu Sangho. Sadhu give inspiration to chant bhajana kriya. Sadhu gave instruction to serve Vaishnava. Sadhu gave instruction, wake up early, do Mangalarati. Think about the spiritual atmosphere. Every morning, what song we are chanting? What song we are chanting? What the meaning? Bhale Gora Goda Dhari Arati Nehari Nadiya Purabo Bhabe Bhabe. Before Nadiya, you appear in the form of Gaur Gadadhar. You are Radha Krishna. So I am going towards it, to the Radha Krishna. First, Bhale Gora Gadadhare. And before Nadiya with district, who was the Gaur Gadadhar? Radha Krishna. Nadiya Purabo Bhave Jao Bolihari. I'm going to glorify, think about that atmosphere, early morning. What atmosphere? Ratrante Trasta Brinde Ritabahu Virabbai Bodhitau Kirosari Paddairiddhairaridhairapi Sukha Shayana Dutitau Tau Sakivi Drishtau Rishtau Tadattaditarati Lalitau Kakhaktigi Shasanko Radha Krishna Satishna Hopi Nija Nija Dhamnapta Talpau Smarami. Meaning, Radha Krishna get up. Vrindasaki sent Sukshari. Sukshari, they are debating. Suk is a parrot who is always glorifying Krishna. Sari, also parrot, who is glorifying Radha. Debate, what debate? Suk says, my Krishna's crown left side down. Sari says, do you know why? Because he wanted to touch the Radha's feet. Bengali is expressed like this. Shugu bole amar Krishna chuda bame hele, Sari bole amar Radhar chodana paabe bole. Then Suk says, my Krishna, lift up Govardhan hill. Sari says, actually, he is eligible to lift up Govardhan because my Radha gave him potency. Therefore, Suk bole amar Krishna, giri dhore chilo, Sari bole amar Radha, shakti sancharilo. Debating. Still, they not wake up. Kakhaktigi Shasanko. Monkey named Kakhak. The barking. Then Radha Krishna. Kalochita Shulolito Kakhak Tira Rabe Bhito Radha Krishna Satishna Ya Nija Nija Grihe Gila Nibrite Shayan. So when they get up, then all the Sakhi is ready to perform the Arati. Arati is not Arati how there? Jao boli hari then kalpatarur tale ratna. In Vrindavan, everywhere kalpa vriksha. Who is fulfilling tree? And then kalpatarur tale ratna. Singhasana po ratna singhasana. Singhasan made with diamond. Meaning is there. Bhav is there. Sabu Saki Beshtita Kishora Kishori. All the Sakis surrounded. Who is this surrounded? Kishora Kishore. Who is Kishore? Krishna. Who is Kishori? Radharani. Sadhu. Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave us this Kirtan. That we have to follow. Sadhu Sangha. How much we follow our previous teacher, that much we are associating sadhu. No matter where we are, Kelowna, British Columbia, right? Nelson, Vancouver, Melbourne, Sydney, Adelaide, Perth, whatever. Kashambu, right? Belarajante, yeah? I don't know. Huh? By pension, huh? Anyway, I'm useless now. Every aspect, I don't know the name. But everywhere you can see, hey, calls by waiting for them. So cakes will get out. The sadhu sangha. So our sadhu says, do Mangalarati with the song. Purato jodito koto mani gajamoti jhamaki jhamaki lobe pratiyanga jyoti. This signing. Diamond always signing. Dark was a signing there. That's called diamond, right? This is the nature. The sadhu sangha. When sadhu sangha, bhajana early, get up early morning, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, serving devotees, all they're considered like a bhajana kriya. Bhajana kriya, when how much we faithfully follow the footsteps of sadhu, instruction of sadhu. Bhajana kriya means all the dirt cleansing, the anartha nivritti. How many anartha? Unlimited anartha. Hush. Many anartha. But how many? How many anartha? Okay, tell me that one. First one. Sarupa Brahm. We forget our Sarup. We are eternal servant of Krishna. That we forget. Therefore, we are acting like I am a boss in my home. Right? But Damodar never acted like that. Right? Damodar always acting. Bhanumati is the master of the home, right? True or not? Actually, Krishna is the master of the home. Everywhere Krishna. I am not set up my mind to speak what to speak here. Whatever Krishna is revealing to my heart, I am speaking accordingly. I never prepare anything, any places. Just to go, see the audience, and I speak accordingly. You can ask Lakshman, should I prepare? any places, any subject, when they say before class, whatever Lord's revealed in my heart, I am speaking about it. So this is not I am speaking, this is the Lord speaking. Whatever quality, good quality, you can say everything is given by Krishna. Bad quality, this is my independence nature. That is this. That is the essence of our life. Hey, Taylor, you have to come in 5 minutes. We have to wait. We are waiting for cake. So look, this is the situation. Majanakriya, anartha sarupa bhram first. We forget our eternal identity. Then we are acting like I am wife of Pranava. Bhanumati acting, I am wife of Damodar. Right? Arati acting like I am wife of Madana Mohan. Lakshman acting, I am husband of Malini Devi. Right? Lakshman's like this. We are not husband, we are not wife of anyone. We are eternal servant of Supreme Lord. When it is established in our consciousness, Sarupa Bhagwan, false identity gone. Is a false identity. How much we are in the false identity, that much we are in the false thirstiness. We need this, we need that, we need this, so many things. Material things we want, this, that. Nimai was crying in New York, Brooklyn Park, was crying. What for? She was crying. Ask him. Yes, Times Square we are going to make program. We are arranging the program. And then Bhanumati also, Damodar was there, right? First program is Times Square, we are there. And then Nimai also came from France. Then I saw you are sitting in the park. I was walking, because whole day sitting in the home, useless, body become useless. I want to walk with you. Then I said, Nimai is crying. Then I said, hey Nimai, hey, what happened? Then he explained his actual personal reason. He is feeling some separation for that, right? But we are supposed to feel separation of Lord. When we feel separation from Lord, the Lord will come. Therefore you can see, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Vishay je priti eve achhay amar, shei mata priti hogu charone tamar. Means what? How much I have faith for fulfilling my sense gratification desire. Oh Lord, please give me such faith to serve your lotus feet. To serve your lotus feet. That is the Bhaktivinoda Thakur prayer. Vishaye je priti ebe acha he amar sei moto priti ho charone tomar. If it is not that, if you are not greedy for Krishna's services, then always you accumulate. In the last minute of your physical departure, you will try to accumulate the wealth, material wealth, and you are thinking that is needed for my life. But you are going to die. After 1 minute, you are going to die. After dying, your activity allow you to take bath in the dog form. Or cat form. Who knows? Like nowadays, Many people, they are choosing their life to be renounced. Because material life not successful. They pretend like a sadhu that is easy to attack, easy to make fool. Attack means make fool who has soft, whose heart is soft. Hare Krishna, Prasad, please accept the Prasad. We are from this society. Please give me as donation. How much you collect donation, that much percentage in your bank account. Society is looking at benefit. I am looking at my benefit. Before coming to temple, we have nothing. After coming to temple, I have a big land, big guest house, my own home, many apartment, selling the apartment. Then marry with and green card or passport, Western one. This is a lavish life. So in this regard, my spiritual master used to say, we came to temple to serve Lord. Instead of that, when we are keeping two pockets, one pocket giving a percentage to society, I have one pocket for my bank account. But devotee are giving, but people are giving for the absolutely giving to serve Lord. But we are hidden, we are taking percentage. Contact with society and me, right? So what happened? Well, say after physical departure, we have to born again in the form of dogs and cats to pay off our debt. They are paying for Lord services. I took the percentage from Lord services. Or cheating societies. Everything we put in my name. Because I need this. The Asat Trishna, false thirstiness. So we have to pay up all our debt in the form of a dog and cat's form. Born in dog form in their home who donate us. Born in cat form in that donor form. But pay up that debt. This is a good life. This life is a very dangerous life. Actually, fact is, donation, if you are not using, if you use it for Lord services, it is nectar. For you, who is donor, both. And if you are not using for Lord services and using your own purpose, that is poison. It is poison. Therefore, whenever money comes, I say, oh, poison. Keep it. Oh, is this? Temple treasurer. Put it there, put it there, put it there. They say, Maharaj, take money. No. Put it in the bank. Why? You can take it. No, I don't want to take. I don't like to take poison. Poison. So, Asat Trishna. And then Aparad. Third offense. Third anartha, Aparad. When we are accumulating a lot of money, name, fame, then we have to know You become puffed up. Hey, useless. All useless. But the real devotion make you feel humble. Make you feel all useful. I am useless. When the reverse, you look the reverse activity going on, and that is some problem. Nature of Vaishnava being humble. Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Pad, every day I am telling that. He is Kasturi Manjari. What he define his actual designation. My position is more lower than a maggot worm. পুরুষের কীট হইতে মুইত লঘিষ্ঠ, জগায় মদায় হইতে মুইত পাপিষ্ঠ। I am more sinful than Jagai Madhai. But I am trying my best. I am higher than all of you. All you are inferior. I am superior. When this idea takes place in our consciousness, finish. Spiritual progress stop. Anartha. Then Hridaya Darballa. The third Anartha Aparad. Fourth Anartha, Hridaya Darballa. Means weakness of our heart. Four Anartha, main Anartha. Every four Anartha have also same equal 4, 4, 4. Total 20 Anartha is there. Not like so many Anartha. So, Anartha Nibriti, Sadhu Sangha will allow us to destroy all the unwanted mundane desire, Anartha. And then, Nishtha, firm faith. I have to chant. I have to respect all Vaishnava. No matter what society says. I have to respect all Vaishnava. Because we know in the heart of pure devotee, Krishna residing, resting. I will not disobey any Vaishnava, no matter which society he belongs to. It's that firm faith. Then Ruchi, then we can get taste of chanting. Hare Krishna, Krishna. You cannot stop like Bhaktivedanta Puri Maharaj. 1:30 get up, chanting, Hare Krishna, Krishna. And he never take any prasadam from other hand. He is taking only from Jogamaya's hand, right? Oh, yoga, cook for me. Yoga, cook. Rice, dal, full of. Yoga also chanting 164 round. They are cooking for Maharaj. No chili. No mode of ignorance, any items. Tamagun, no. Only Shattagun. This is the. Then Ruchi, it is the Ruchi. Ruchi, then Asakti, attachment. Then Bhava, then Prema. This is the stage. We'll go climb off. Then we'll go in this area. When Prem, definitely reach Golok Vrindavan. Golokero Prema Dhono, Harinama Sankirtana. Harinam Sankirtana is pure love. Chanting with pure love. That means you already in the airplane, Golok, who is taking us to Golok Vrindavan. Okay, we can talk tomorrow.
One question. these sadhus for the past few days, this Devan Rishi and Agastya Muni. So even if they're practicing devotion, sadhus, as we hear in the scriptures that sadhus are tolerant, then why they're cursing?
Teaching us.
But sadhus,
We should not run behind, should not disturb any sadhu. They've already said, who Gandharva, out of joke, he pulling down, pulling his leg.
but sadhus are tolerant, right? As you say. But then
Sometimes
why
sadhu also, Narad Muni curse. Why? Narad Muni curse to Nalokapar Muni grip. Is a real curse. Nalokapar Muni grip become delivered. To get the touch, get the lotus feet of Krishna. Then Agastya Rishi cuts to Indradumna Maharaj. In these past times, Indradumna Maharaj became also delivered. As soon as he prayed to Lord, Lord appeared with his bearer, Garuda. With the chakra, cut the crocodiles. Why crocodile? Crocodile captured the feet of great Vaishnava, sadhu, right? Indradumna Maharaj. To hold the sadhu's feet, where to go? Delivered. And another sense that sadhu, when they are doing, that is the pastime, lila purpose, and teaching us. Sadhu never curse real manner. Sadhu actually curse to deliver us. Okay? Jagayitanga nimeshana chakshusha pravishayitam Channahitang jagat sarvang govinda virahinami উদ্বেগে দিবস না যায় ক্ষণ হইল যুগ সম বর্ষার মেঘ প্রায় অশ্রু বর্ষে দুনয়ন গোবিন্দ বিরহে শূন্য হইল ত্রিভুবন তুষার হলে পড়ে যেন না যায় জীবন গাইতে গাইতে নাম কি দশা হইল কৃষ্ণ নিত্য দাস মুহি হৃদয়ে স্ফুরিল জানিলাম মায়া পাশে এ জড় জগতে গোবিন্দ বিরহে দুঃখ পায় না নামতে গোবিন্দ আর যে সংসার মোর নাহি লাগে ভালো कहाँ जाए कृष्ण हेरी ये चिंता विशाल কাঁদিতে কাঁদিতে মোর আঁখি বরিশয় বর্ষাধারা হেন চোখে হইল উদয় নিমেষ হইল মোর শত যুগ সম গোবিন্দ বিরহ সহিতে অক্ষম শূন্য ধরাতল চৌদিকে দেখিয়ে পরাণ উদাস হয় কি করি স্থির নাহি হয় জীবন নাহি করয় ব্রজবাসীগণ মোর প্রাণ রাখো দেখাও শ্রী রাধানাথে ভকতি বিনোদ মিনতি মানিয়া লহ হে তাহারে সাথে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ বিরহ সহিতে না পারি পরাণ ছাড়িতে আর দিন দুই ছাড়ি গাইতে গোবিন্দ নাম উপজিল ভবগ্রাম দেখিলাম যমুনার কূলে বিশ্বভানু সুতা সঙ্গে শ্যাম নট বড় রঙে বাঁশরি বাজায় নিপমূলে দেখিয়া যুগল ধন অস্থির হইল মন কেন হারা হইল তপন কত শনে নাই জানি জ্ঞান লাভ হইল মানি আর নাই ফেল ধর্ষণ সখী গো কে মতে ধরিব পরা নিমেষ হইল যুগের সমান মতে ধরিব পরাণ শ্রাবণের ধারা আঁখি বরিশয় শূন্য ভেল ধরা তলো গোবিন্দ বিরহে প্রাণ নাই রহে কেমন মনে বাঁচিব বল ভকতি বিনোদ অস্থির হইয়া গুণ নামাশ্রয় করি ডাকে রাধানাথ দিয়া দর্শন প্রাণ রাখ নহে মরি হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Pradosh Lila Suchana. Pradosh means around 8:39 to 12 in between period. That is the period time, that period of time, that pastime going on. Vrinda Sakshi prepare Radharani's, means decorate Radharani accordingly. Winning moon cycle period, Radha wearing black color outfit. Waxing moon cycle period, Radha decorated by Binda with white color outfit. So, as soon as Radha prepared, Radha prepared by Vrinda, then giving signal, "Hey Krishna, come in." And Krishna, after taking dinner, Yashoda Devi let him sleep in his room. But signal indicate all the Sakha, means coward boys, they call Krishna. Krishna escape from the window and going to meet with Radha in the Sanket Kund. That is the pastimes. That pastime composed by our Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad, Govinda Lilamrita, that I am going to repeat after me. Radhang Saliganantam Shitashita Nisajagabesham Pradoshe Dutta Brinda Padesha Davishrita Jamunatira Kalpagga Kunjam Krishnaya Gappai Sabhayam Bhita Guni Kala Lokanam Snigdha Matra Jatna Dhaniya Sangsayati Motho Nibhritang Prapta Kunjam Smarami. Is it Sanskrit language? What I explain? That is the fact. Radha Brinda Upodeshe Jamuna Pakulo Deshe Radha Brinda Upodeshe Jamuna Pakulo Deshe Sanketiko Kunje Abhishari তাশিত নিশা যোগ্য ধরিবে কৃষ্ণ ভোগ সখী সঙ্গে সানন্দ অন্তরে গোপ সভা মাঝে হরি নানা গুণ কলা হেরি মাতৃ যত্নে করিল শয়ন রাধা সঙ্গ সঙ্গরিয়া নিবৃতে বাহির হইয়া প্রাপ্ত কুঞ্জ করিল স্মরণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Ramo Ramo Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ramo 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 Hare 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 Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hare Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Jai Shri Guru Gauranand Dev Girdhari Ju ki jai, Panchatattvaadamaks Gaur Hari ki jai, Shri Gurupad Padmanithlila Pravishtam Vishnupad Shtotarchita Shri Srimad Bhakti Pramad Puri Goswami Thakur ki jai, Saparsa Parikaranithlila Pravishta Shila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर की जय श्री रूपान गुरु वर्गो की जय हरे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय चारि धाम की जय चारि संप्रदाय की जय चारि संप्रदाय आचार्य वृंद की जय भक्त प्रहलाद महाराज की जय भक्त विघ्न विनाशन सर्व विघ्न विनाशनकारी नृसिंह देव की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय नमाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय चतुर्मास व्रतों की जय कार्तिक व्रतों की जय ऊर्जा व्रतों की जय दामोदर व्रतों की जय उत्पलनकारी भक्त वृंदों की जय समागत भक्त वृंदों की जय नमाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय भुवन मंगल हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय गौर प्रेमानंदे